This is video number 10. These are videos of the solutions for the coordinate geometry quiz review worksheet. So for number 3, we've got ABCD as a parallelogram, and we're given that A is 1, 5. So let's go ahead and graph that. There's A, and B is 6, 2. There's B. And we want to find two possible coordinates for C and D. I'm going to find one possible coordinate for C and D, and then you can find another one. So basically, if we just need to find a parallelogram, all we need to do is find two other points that are will make a segment that's parallel to this segment. So what I like to do with the parallelogram is just arbitrarily, that means you can do it however you want, just pick a slope to go from A and then do the same slope from point B. So for example, if I go down 1, 2, 3, and then left 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this will locate a point right over there. So I'll have this point over here. Now, to find the other point, all I have to do is the same thing from point B. So I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get another point right over there. So if I do the same slope from A and B, I'm going to locate this other side of the parallelogram, and all I need to do is connect it back to A and B. And there you have it. We have our parallelogram. So AB, this would be point C. This would be point D. So point C is going to have coordinates of 1, -1. And D is going to have coordinates of -4 and +2. And our justification, we need to make sure opposite sides are parallel. So that's our justification. So I'm going to find the slope of all four of the segments. So I'm going to start with AB, and you can calculate this using the slope formula, or you can just use the slopes on the graph. So for AB, I'm going to go up 3, so that's +3, and to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's -5. So the slope of that is going to be 3 over -5. And then let's check the one opposite to that, the slope of CD. So for this one, let's start here at D. We're going to go down 3, so that's -3. And to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's +5. So that's -3 over 5. Okay, so these are parallel. 3 over -5 is the same as -3 over 5. Let's check the other pair of sides. So the slope of AD, so that's going to be down 3 over 5. So that's -3 -5, or 3/5. And the slope of BC, down 3, left 5. So down 3 is -3, left 5 is -5. So that's also 3/5. So these are also parallel. So since both pair of opposite sides are parallel, we know that it is a parallelogram. All right, if you need to rewatch it, feel free. I highly recommend that. If you have other questions, ask a classmate or your teacher, and we'll see you in video 11.